Alright, today I'm scrapping this. This is a digital multimeter made by Syntec. This is like a Harbor Freight one or something. I was messing with it. Look, 666, did you see it? I was wiggling, oh, there it goes again. This thing is messed up. The contacts are all messed up. Gonna work again? No. Ah, there it is again. That's scary. Well, we're scrapping it. It's got a lot of weight in the base. Magnet wants to stick down here, so I'm wondering if there's like AA batteries down here and not like a lithium in there, or watch battery, little watch battery thing in there. It's got some weight in the base, so let's see what's inside of it. There's got to be a circuit board in there. Can't find it, grind it. Oh, I got that one. Is there more screws hiding under this, I bet? Doesn't feel like it. Well, there's other ways of getting into it. There's a 9-volt in there. Look at that. That's still good. I'll put that right in my smoke detector. I have a 5-gallon bucket with batteries in it. I'm going to throw this in my bucket of batteries. There are places that recycle them and they pay for them. That fuse is probably not good for anything. But I am going to save this little battery end here because these can come in handy for little projects. Yeah, some little tiny screws. Probably could have taken those out. Oh, there's little bits of brass there. Get rid of the mittens. And I bet these ends are brass. Magnet, don't stick to that. That's neat. Look at all the traces on that. And there's the piezo buzzer. These capacitors aren't worth taking off. They're not that big. But I do want the brass. We'll get the little brass bits. And that about does it for this. Now this board is green on both sides. It's silk screen on both sides. This is higher quality board. Don't go putting it in the same board as this one, because see, this brown on one side, traces on the other. This board is worth half of what this is worth. So keep this board separate from your junk board. And let's get this brass out of here. Oh, we got it. Clean enough. Clean it up a little. Clean enough. Yeah. Probably should have gloves on. I never learned my lesson. I bet these are brass. Yep, these are brass as well. We got these ends too. How do these come out? Oh, losing it. Don't lose it all. Get as much of the stuff as you can. Brass is one of the heavier metals. and it adds up quicker. Oh, looks like there's a little chunk in there. Well, it can stay in there. So that finishes off that. We got contacts here too. We got contacts here too. Oh, hey. Look at that. Little couple minutes worth of work. Make a couple pennies, if that. So just remember, guys, scrap is everywhere. All you gotta do is find it, sort it, and hoard it. So, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.